Good morning, everyone. So, in this session, now I'm going to explain you how to use a Kahoot app. So, Kahoot app is a better platform for the teachers who want to conduct any online quiz or online activities. So, this is a better platform to conduct to the students because it's more fun and more learning app also. We can conduct all the type of quizzes here. So let me tell how the Kahoot app is useful from the host point of view. I'll explain you, right? So for that, first go to any browser. So I'm going to Google Chrome here, and if you will observe my screen, so I'm going to Google Chrome. So go to the Google Chrome and enter there, right? So www.kahoot.com. So www.kahoot.com. So when you enter it, then it will ask you to log in, or it will ask you to sign in. So if you are entering for the first time, then it will ask you to sign up. So then just sign up by using your mail id and any password. So mail id and password, or else if you are having Google, then you can just sign in by using your Google Gmail id. So I already signed up, so that's what I'm using login option here. So login. So you can just log in Kahoot app by using your username, that is your mail id and password, or else if you enter with your Google also you can enter. So here I am using my continue with Google, and I am using by my mail id, Gmail id, because automatically my Gmail id is there, so I already used it, so it automatically redirected to the Kahoot app. So Kahoot app, I already conducted so many quiz and for my students to in a Kahoot app. So in the same way, I'll tell you how to conduct a Kahoot app. If it will be first time for you, then it will ask you to go with the premiums. So if you are using mobile, then it will ask you in this way. So just don't go through of any of these things. Or if you are using in a desktop wise, so then in a desktop also it will first time you are entering, it will ask you to go through that different plans and all. So then just click on thanks, go. That is there when you are using a desktop version. So if it is in a mobile version, then it will be seen like that. I am using my mobile to explain you. So then just close it. So then you will have here, I already made some quizzes. So here if you will observe, these all are the quiz sessions what I had made. So like law quiz, insurance quiz, Mahabharata quiz, and quiz, general knowledge quiz sessions. So these I already prepared. So if anybody wants to prepare a quiz session, so first you just need to click on this plus symbol. So I think you observe that plus symbol. So yeah, just you need to click on that plus symbol. So these are the premiums. If you will observe these symbols, templates, if you want to use with slides and everything, so that is a premium based. But here we want a completely free one. If you want, then you need to go for new Kahoot and create. So when you enter a new Kahoot and create, it will ask you to enter the Kahoot title. So if for example I am going to enter my quiz session, so general quiz, general knowledge quiz. So general knowledge quiz. So general knowledge quiz. So this is the title I am giving, and if you want to give the description also, you can type the description, or if you want to change the cover image also, you can change the cover image by uploading from your laptop, or by uploading from your mobile also. You can put any image, or by default it will be used as a Kahoot image. So click on done. So then just type your question here. So what is the question, whatever the question you want to type, you can type here. For example, I am telling you that who is our prime minister. Okay, so then after typing the question, it will ask you to enter the options. So below, see here, if you want to add any image regarding to that question, you can add the image, or you can add the video also. Or else if you want to just don't want to add, just skip it and click on add answer 1 options. So first answer is some if the answer, if I enter the right answer only I am entering, so Narendra Modi, so he is our prime minister, so it is correct answer. So that's what you need to on it. So here the correct option is there, you need to on it, because if it is a correct answer, compulsory you should add it. Okay, then immediately go to click on that add answer to. So add answer to, that is the first answer. Type any other answers. Gaurav Pandey. Then the third answer. Add answer 3 is an optional. Add answer 3. So there is Ramanayudu is the next fourth answer. None. Okay, so after all giving this, you just click on that anywhere in your mobile. So you got these 3-4 answers. So like that you need to prepare all the questions. So this is the first question, and if you want to prepare the next one, so you can just click on here the plus symbol. So the second question will come, and the third question will come, and fourth question will come. So like that you can prepare how many questions you want to put a quiz. You can prepare all the questions by giving an options and all. So or else, if you want to see here, if you will observe beside the question, you are having 3 options are there. See, so in these 3 options, if you want to change the question type, so this is multiple question. So if you want to change the question type, you can change the question type here. See, change question type. So if it is a quiz, or true or false. So remaining answers also we can do, but it is a paid one. So for to want to get the poll option, or open-ended, or brainstorm, or word cloud, or puzzle, you want to get this, you need to pay. Or else you can use true or false. 2 options are free. You can conduct the quiz, and you can conduct the true or false. Or else simply you can cancel it, don't want anything. So then the next one, set time limit. Time limit is there. You can put the time limit for each question. Each question you can change the time limit. If for example by default it will be shown 20 seconds. If I want to put 30 seconds for this question, the time limit, so put on 30 seconds and done. 30 seconds is the time limit. I had already given that. So then coming to that, after time limits, points are there. So how many points you want to give? So standard award correct answers with the normal amount of points, are double or no points. So I want to give a standard points for this. So double points no, and no points no. So then I'll just click on done. So then the next one, answer options. So answer options, players can only select one of the answer. So we need to, by default it will be shown in that way only. So multi select is paid one. So here we don't need to click on that. So then the duplicate. So if you want to create the same question again, you can click on the duplicate option. See, I already prepared the who is of our Prime Minister is the first one, and the second one is this. Again second one. If you want to create the same question as a duplicate, you can click on here and duplicate that. So if I click on duplicate, see, third question came, right? So if you don't want it, so if you don't want that question, then simply you can click on there. So if you want to split your questions also here, so if you want to split your questions also, see, this is the first question, and if you want to create the first question as a third one, you can just simply slag it, you can just download it, you can just split the screen. Okay, so this is how you need to prepare the questions. So when you prepare these questions, after preparing all the questions, what you should do is, you need to click on the done option. So I just created all the questions, so I'll click on done. Yes, so this is done. So then I can play this game. I prepared the questions, I can play this to anyone, and I can share with the others. So in the next session, I'll tell you how to play this Kahoot app with the students lively, or how we can share it to someone, and they can sit at home and they can play. We can easily do all this process. Okay, so then in the next session we'll go for the next thing. Okay, thank you.